for tuning in with us today on our Let's Paint series of lessons for painting in oil. Today, first we're going to start off with materials. And in saying that, the materials we're going to need for starting an oil painting are, of course, a brush. And the first brush you're going to need is the number 10 flat brush. The number 10 flat brush is bristle, and the bristle allows the paint to be moved across the canvas effectively and allows for maximum coverage for any of the pieces you're working on in the beginning. Next, you'll also need a number 2 brush. The number 2 brush is to be used for details and fine-tuning your painting. It's also in bristle. For the first few paintings we'll be strictly using bristle brushes. They move the paint around and they're the most effective for the beginning oil painter. Next, you'll need your paint. And the paints that you're going to need are a burnt umber. These are provided by Utrecht, a very good brand. You have your burnt umber oil paint. Burnt umber is very important for laying down your darks and for establishing where all your tone's going to go. Next, you're going to need titanium white. Titanium white helps you establish where all your light, middle, and highlight areas go. For moving the paint around on your palette, you'll also need palette knives. Now, palette knives come in different sizes and shapes. These two palette knives are the ones that I've found to be most effective for your small to medium-sized canvas. This one is considered to be a trowel, so it's used to shovel and scoop paint wherever you need it, whereas this more flat palette knife is used more in the way of spreading. You will also need turpenoid. Now, the difference between turpentine and turpenoid is that turpenoid usually is odorless. It's a special blend of mineral spirit that is more conducive to using in a studio. You don't have to worry about the fumes bothering you too much. It's not too unpleasant to work with, and you can focus more on your painting as opposed to on the smell of the medium that you're working with. You'll also need charcoal. Now, in my experience, the charcoal that I found to be most effective is vine charcoal. Vine charcoal is just that. It's charcoal made from vines that's been burned, and it provides a darker but not too dark tone that's easy to manage. Next, you'll need a palette cup. Palette cups come in single and double packs. The double packs are usually used when you're going to have your medium in one cup and your mixer in another. Mixers and mediums are something we'll get more in detail with later, but for now, that's just to get you started to understand what it is we're working with. We'll also need linseed oil. Now, linseed oil is the standard of what's used in oil paintings to make your oil paint thinner and easier, more viscous to move around on the canvas. That is the beginning of the things we'll need, as well as, of course, your handy dandy paper towel. Paper towels are excellent in oil paint for not only cleaning up, but for also removing paint from the canvas to help set up your lights and darks. And that is the beginning, or the first part, of just laying out all the materials that you'll need for your oil painting.